Hey, I bet those are still wet. I bet you don't know when's the last time you got your dryer vent cleaned. And I'm pretty sure you're wondering who I am. Hi, Joey Diaz, StreamWash pressure washing. I bet the reason why it's also hot in here may be because of those dryer vents. Bet they're all clogged up. Down. These are new. I can down.
Let's take a look down the dryer vent and see if this is the issue. Oh gosh, what? Hi. I think I'm in the wrong tube. What is that? Yeah. With our cleaning services starting at only $89 and not knowing when's the last time you got your dryer vent cleaned, now is the perfect opportunity to call and schedule an appointment.
All right, man. I took care of your dryer vent. Your dryer vent should be good. It's not as hot in here. Just not too sure what you want me to do with everything that I took out the dryer.